Yo, what's up, fam? Just gonna do a little bit of maintenance today. Got the old Vestex PMC03. It's feeling kind of scratchy and stuff, so figured I'd go ahead and open it up, spray it out, and throw some contact spray into the all faders here, the levels, the line levels in and out. Try to get it back, get that buttery going back again. All right, check it out. Yeah, fam, so what you want to do is just go ahead and start taking off, taking all the stuff off from the top here, taking off all the knobs so you can get that top plate off. Mine's a little bit sticky. Haven't been removed for a little bit, so yeah, just go ahead and take those little bad babies off right there. Just a little bit of tug. Let's see if I can get these last two up. All right, I got all my knobs off my top plate here. Go ahead and take off all your knobs, and then you can go ahead and take off the those screws on top, and then we can get this top plate removed and go ahead and blow this thing out with some duster first. All right, fam, I went ahead and pulled off my my top plate here to my Vestex mixer, and it's looking pretty dusty there. Got all kind of dust there. Hasn't been open for a while. This is a perfect time to get this thing cleaned out. And you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing out, some duster. Spray it out first, and then I'm gonna throw some contact spray on the fader and with the knobs here, and get rid of any kind of static, and bring this mixer back to life. All right, fam, so I went ahead and opened up the PMC03 Vestex. Went ahead and dusted off the top, took off the top plate. Went ahead and dusted all the knobs and inside the faders. So went ahead and dusted everything off. So next I'll just go through the knobs and the faders and use some contact spray to clean those out with a Q-tip. I'll go back in and clean up the areas there, and bring this mixer back to life. Feeling kind of stiff and stuff, and a little bit of static going on, so we'll throw this on there and see how that turns out. All right, so I've actually I went back to the back of the mixer and went ahead and threw some contact spray on these connections, so we get some nice connections once we hook everything back up, to eliminate all the static and anything that goes through the mixer, so we have some good contact. So yeah, I just went ahead and sprayed them up, went back through with a Q-tip, cleaned in between them to make sure everything's cleaned out, no residue, and that way we get a nice connection once we connect everything back up. All right, check it out. All right, fam, so I went ahead and threw on the face plate to this Vestex. I just gotta throw in the screws and the knobs, and throw on the faders, throw on the fader knobs and stuff, and that's basically it. But yeah, just did a little studio job. If you have time, once you start hearing that little scratchiness, just get you some dust cleaner, some contact cleaner, open it up, dust it out, use your contact cleaner, make sure you have a cotton swab, get all that residue out, make sure everything dries up, and go ahead and throw everything back together, and let it dry out, hook it up, make sure you have the back controls, make sure you clean those up, and that's your little studio job. All right, fam. Thanks again for checking out this video. We just cleaned up the Vestex PMC03. Did a little short video on it. Just went ahead and dusted it out. Threw some contact spray to bring this older mixer back to life. Again, thanks for checking it out. I'll be doing these short little videos on how to do. And yeah, just check back. All right, peace.